Education is the cornerstone of progress. It empowers individuals and shapes societies. Yet, the current educational landscape often feels fragmented. Instruction, enrollment, and rankings often exist in silos. This disconnect can hinder both educators and students. Teachers grapple with administrative burdens. They spend valuable time on tasks like grading and attendance. This takes away from their primary focus, teaching. Students, meanwhile, navigate complex enrollment processes. They might struggle to find the right courses or programs. Furthermore, the emphasis on rankings can create undue pressure. Schools may prioritize metrics over genuine learning. This narrow focus can overshadow the diverse needs and talents of students. We need a holistic approach, one that seamlessly integrates instruction, enrollment, and rankings. Let's end your teaching, enrollment, and ranking hassles now. If you're interested in taking the first step towards a more engaging and interactive classroom, why not schedule a quick demo and free trial with CompuMagic today by scanning the QR code after this video. See you at the demo and get your free trial afterwards. Imagine a system where these core elements are interwoven. Instruction becomes the central thread. Enrollment aligns with student needs and aspirations. Rankings reflect genuine learning outcomes, not just test scores. This integrated approach holds immense promise. When instruction is the focus, teachers have more time to teach. They can personalize learning and cater to individual student needs. Enrollment becomes student-centric. Students can easily access information about courses, programs, and support services. They can make informed choices that align with their interests and goals. Rankings in this integrated system become more meaningful. They reflect a broader range of factors, including student growth, skill development, and well-being. This shift moves away from a narrow focus on standardized tests. It paints a more comprehensive picture of educational success. Technology is the key to weaving this unified educational tapestry. It can streamline processes, connect stakeholders, and personalize learning experiences. Learning management systems, LMS, are transforming instruction. They provide teachers with tools to create engaging content, track progress, and provide feedback. Online enrollment portals simplify the enrollment process for students and parents. They provide easy access to information and streamline administrative tasks. Data analytics can play a crucial role in providing insights into student performance and identifying areas for improvement. Imagine a system where a student's learning journey is seamlessly tracked from enrollment to graduation. Their progress, strengths, and areas for growth are all captured in one platform. This data can inform instruction, guide enrollment decisions, and provide a holistic view of student success. This integrated approach empowers educators and engages students. Teachers, freed from administrative burdens, can focus on what they do best: teach. They can leverage technology to personalize learning, provide individualized support, and foster a love of learning in their students. Students, in turn, benefit from a more engaging and personalized learning experience. They have access to the resources and support they need to succeed. They are empowered to take ownership of their learning and pursue their passions. This approach also fosters a growth mindset. Students are no longer defined by a single test score. They are encouraged to embrace challenges, learn from their mistakes, and strive for continuous improvement. The integration of instruction, enrollment, and rankings is not just an aspiration, it's an emerging reality. Schools and educational institutions around the world are embracing technology and innovative strategies to break down silos and create a more cohesive learning environment. This transformation is not without its challenges. It requires a shift in mindset, investment in infrastructure, and ongoing professional development for educators. However, the potential benefits far outweigh the costs. By embracing this integrated approach, we can create an educational system that is more student-centered, more equitable, and more effective in preparing students for the challenges of the 21st century. The future of education is here. It's time to embrace the evolution from fragmented systems to a unified, technology-enabled learning ecosystem. By integrating instruction, enrollment, and rankings, we can empower educators, engage students, and create a brighter future for all. Let's end your teaching, enrollment, and ranking hassles now. If you're interested in taking the first step towards a more engaging and interactive classroom, Why not schedule a quick demo and free trial with CompuMagic today by scanning the QR code after this video? See you at the demo and get your free trial afterwards.